Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kabugo. I know some of you want to know how to make a sentence from Luganda, and you'll be there wondering, how can I construct a sentence from Luganda? How can be good in speaking Luganda? Here is how you're going to do it. Keep on watching. But before you go, keep on subscribing on this YouTube channel and share. You can also put a question under the comment below. You're going to be having good things. You're going to be enjoying everything stuff here. So today we are going to learn how to construct a sentence and how to make a sentence from Luganda. Well, I know it sounds to be hard. You're there scared. But my friend, I'm here to tell you, I'm here to teach you how to do it and how to love it. It is so simple and so nice. Just keep on watching. You can think of anything. Like we had many videos previously, and I've been telling you how to call this in Luganda, how to call that in Luganda, and I think you can remember anything from Luganda. So now I'm here to tell you how to construct a question, or how to make a sentence from Luganda. So it is simple. You don't need to get scared. You don't need to get worried. Just keep on watching. I'm here to help you out because I'm here to teach you. Now, let's start with this one. Give me a chair. Give me a chair. In Luganda we say, mpa entebe. Give me a chair. In Luganda we say, mpa entebe. I do not have a plate. I do not have a plate. Sirina sowani. Sirina sowani. That is my garden. That is my garden. From a distance. That is my garden. Eyo nimiro yange. Eyo nimiro yange. This is my garden. This is my garden. Eno nimiro yange. So I think now you can see the difference. That is eyo. This is eno nimiro yange. Still on that one, you can say, this is my pen. Eno bairo yange. This is my pen. Eno bailo yange. But let's take a look at when this pen is a bit far away from you and you are pointing on it. That is my pen. For example, you're talking to your friend. That is my pen. Eyo peni yange. Eyo bairo yange. That is my pen. Eyo bairo yange. This is my shirt. Eno sati yange. This is my shirt. Eno sati yange. That is my shirt. Eyo sati yange. You get the whole thing. This is my table. Eno meza yange. This is my table. Eno meza yange. That is my table. Eyo meza yange. That is my table. Eyo meza yange. This is my table. Eno meza yange. I am eating food. I am eating food. Ndya mmere. I am eating food. Ndya mmere. You know? Ndya mmere. This is my spoon. Chino chijiko change. This is my spoon. Chino chijiko change. That is my spoon. Echo chijiko change. This is my spoon. Chino chijiko change. That is my spoon. Echo chijiko change. You get the whole thing. This is a pencil. Eno karamu. That is a pencil. Eyo karamu. Drink water. Nywa amazzi. Drink water. Nywa amazzi. Come and we dance. Jangu tuzine. Come and we dance. Jangu tuzine. Sit down. Tula wansi. Sit down. Tula wansi. Sit is to sit. Kuba kutula, it is to sit or kutula. Then down, it is wansi. Then you can say stand up. Yimirira. Stand up. Yimirira. Walk. Tumbler. Walk. Tumbler. I am walking. Ntambula. I am walking. Ntambula. Sing. Sing. Yimba. Sing. Yimba. I am singing. Nyimba. I am singing. Nyimba. A song. Oluyimba. A song. Oluyimba. I am singing a song. Nyimba oluyimba. Okay, that is for today. I hope you're getting the whole thing. You're enjoying the whole topic. You're enjoying everything I'm trying to put close to you. So what you're going to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share the video, and invite other people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we give you many things. Now what you're going to do for me, just hit the subscribe, okay? And if you have any question, you can put down in the comment section, and we always move together. I always upload videos after 2 weeks. So I give you 2 weeks to learn which video I upload, that content. You master that content. I give you 2 weeks, I give you another content, but you can go back still and you rewatch previous videos. My name is Kabugo Peter. Facebook, I use Kabugo Peter Uganda. Instagram, Kabugo Peter Uganda. Don't hesitate to subscribe so that we can learn Luganda easily. Ciao, ciao.